Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scale to a specific length or size in Autocad. This is an extremely useful skill when you need precise measurements in architectural, engineering, or design projects. Instead of estimating sizes manually, Autocad allows you to resize objects accurately using the Scale command with the Reference option. First, locate the object you want to resize. In this example, imagine we have a door that currently measures 120 centimeters, but we want to reduce it to 80 centimeters. Begin by selecting the object so Autocad knows which element will be modified. Once selected, the object should highlight on your screen. Next, move to the command line and type Scale, then press Enter. Autocad will now ask you to specify a base point. The base point acts as the anchor for the scaling operation, so choose a logical point on the object, such as one corner or end point, that you want to remain fixed during resizing. After selecting the base point, look at the command line options and type R for reference, then press Enter. This is the key step because it allows you to define the object's current measurement before assigning the new desired size. Now select the two endpoints representing the current length of the object. In our example, select the two ends of the door that measure 120 centimeters. Once Autocad understands the existing size, type the new desired length, which in this case is 80, and press Enter. Immediately, Autocad rescales the object proportionally, so the selected segment now measures exactly 80 centimeters. This method is fast, accurate, and much more efficient than redrawing objects from scratch. Using reference scaling helps maintain precision in your drawings and ensures your design elements fit perfectly within the required dimensions. Practice this method regularly, and scaling objects to exact sizes will quickly become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting with Autocad. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials.